Hi guys, this is your girl Justena of Lease, and today we are gonna do a new natural hairstyle. We're gonna do flat twists. I believe this is like the first time, maybe the second time I've done it, but I've never recorded it. So we're gonna do it today. Today, the main product we're gonna do to do this hairstyle is our African Pride curling cream. I've used this for twist outs, I've used this for braid outs. Did an amazing job. My hair was moisturized and everything. So if you're interested in seeing me do a flat twist with this African Pride creamy curling cream, keep watching. If you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified on my next video. Comment down below and let me know any productive styles, natural hairstyles, or even products that you would like me to try. Alright guys, so my hair is shampoo conditioned, deep conditioned. I'm gonna detangle it a little bit with some leave-in. Today I'm gonna use my As I Am Jamaican castor oil, black castor oil water. Use this, and I think I'm gonna use my Miele Organics white peonies leave-in conditioner. I think that's the two I'm gonna use. So let's get into this video. This is how my hair looks. My hair is clean. We're gonna go in and spray it with some water. I'm gonna go in with some Miele. Alright, then I go in with the Miele Organics leave-in conditioner, and I massage that in as well. I go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections to help me distribute the leave-in better, and it can be more even in my hair. So I take each section and spray it with the Miele Organics leave-in conditioner and start to detangle. I do separate it in a smaller section so it's easier for me to detangle and section off, so when I do go in to do the flat twist, it can be easier to do. So I do that, go ahead and section my hair. So I go ahead and use my detangling brush to detangle my hair from the end to the root. This is just a better way to make sure that my flat twists are going to be smooth, and I will do this again once I add in my curling cream. So I have gone ahead and sectioned my whole head off, and I'm gonna start at the front to just give y'all a better view. So I did do the twist kind of chunky at first, and then after I did my whole head, I went back for the ones in the front and made them smaller. But I'm just gonna show y'all how I did it initially. I go ahead and try to make somewhat of a straight part, which I really don't suggest you making the best straight part ever, because we do want your hair to blend. So it'll be kind of better if it's kind of like a raggedy part, kind of how I did. As y'all see, I do go back in and detangle my hair a little more, just to making sure it's smooth and everything. And then I am gonna go in with the curling cream and add that to my hair to for this to be my styler. And as y'all see here, this curling cream is very moisturizing, and it gives all the curls back into my hair. So I love this curling cream. I love how juicy it makes my hair look. I love how it smooths my hair all over. It makes it shiny, and it gives it a great hold, as y'all are gonna see at the end. So this is my first and second time doing flat twists, so I might not be the best at it, but overall I think I did a pretty good job of grabbing somewhat of a small peak and connecting it to each other and like kind of flat twisting. Well, overall flat twisting it. So as y'all are gonna see here, I do go all the way to the end and twist all the way to the end. I make sure I detangle the end of the twist just to make sure it is smooth all the way down. I wish I had a pin so I could pin my twist down, because I did see that in a lot of videos of girls pinning their twist down after they flat twisted, but I didn't have one, so I just continued on and did these more chunkier twists, even though at the end y'all see that I did make these twists, at least the first two twists on each side, smaller. So first, detangling it, making sure the product is distributed well, making sure those curls come out, and then going ahead and grabbing little pieces and flat twisting the hair to the head. So I do go ahead, start with a small section, and then keep grabbing little sections and connecting them to each other. I hope I described it good enough of how a flat twist is, but essentially y'all can kind of see what I did to create this flat twist. And I'm going to show y'all about 2 more times how I did flat twist, so y'all can see how it would be best for y'all to do it. All right, this is the front of my hair. As y'all see, I have them in chunky twists, but when y'all see my hair at the end, y'all will see that these chunky twists turn into smaller twists. But they look super good, super juicy. And now I'm about to continue to the back of my head. So I can section off the back of my head, and I'm going to explain one more time of how I do flat twists. So I'll go ahead and section off a medium to a small size section to twist and flat twist. You don't have to use a rat tail comb to section off your hair, but I did, and it still didn't give me the best part. But I did go ahead and add the curling cream, and I finger detangle with the curling cream. Then I also go in with my detangling brush to make sure the product is distributed evenly throughout my hair. And then I go ahead, once I feel like the product is all through my head, I go ahead and start flat twisting, grabbing small sections, and essentially connecting them to each other and flat twisting it to my head. As y'all see, I'm doing like a rotating motion. Every time I put a hair to the lower part of my head, I grab a section of hair from my head. So I continue that over and over and over again. And once I get to the nape of my head, or as far as like if I was doing it towards the front, to the temple of my head, I would go ahead and do a regular twist. And well, I would go ahead and detangle first to make sure it's smooth, and then I would do a regular twist as if it was like one of my single twists that I normally do when I do a twist down. So if you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed and you've been watching me do my flat twist, you might as well subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. And comment down below and let me know, what products do y'all use or are going to use when you do your flat twists? So this is the last twist I am going to show y'all that I did. I again go ahead and make not the best part, but we're going to try. And we section off that part of our hair, go ahead and add our curling cream to that section, finger detangle with it, and go ahead and make sure the product is distributed evenly. Detangle my hair, making sure that it is smooth within my hair, and then I will go ahead and start twisting. Remember, when you're flat twisting, grab a small section, and as you twist down, you grab another small twist, small section. I'm not gonna edit that out because I'm not redoing this this voiceover. But you grab another small section and twist all the way down as you go. Once you get to the end, you detangle, and then you do a regular single twist as if you was doing individual twists. All right. So once I have finished my whole head, so I have finished flat twisting my hair. As y'all can see here, this is how it looks. I am gonna get under the like attached dryer thing I have. I just bought it from Sally, this thing, and I have a little handheld dryer that I attach it to. Case, I ain't never had one like this. All right, this is cute. It's travel size and everything, bro. So it has this little, has like a cap thing going on, and then this part attaches to the dryer. So I'm gonna put this on, leave it on for about, what time is it? Maybe an hour. All right, guys, so this is actually the next day. Me and my husband are in our Airbnb that we went in. If y'all haven't seen that video, check out the link down below so y'all can see our travel vlog that we went to a tiny house. Anyway, let's get back to my hair. My twist looks so juicy and so neat and so on point. I don't want to mess that up, so I'm going to add some oil. I'm adding my wild growth oil to help me take the twist down. This is just essentially to help it not be so frizzy as I take it down. So it might look like I'm doing this a little bit fast or I'm being a little bit rough in my hair, but I do take my time to untwist my hair and making sure I'm not creating too much frizz. Again, also, you know how I mentioned before that I made the sections in the front smaller? Like the first two sections that I took out was literally one chunky twist, but it's not anymore. So I take my time to take my hair down. I love how when you do flat twists, your hair is kind of already, your curls are kind of already more separated than it would be if you had did regular twists, like individual twists all over your head. When you do flat twists, you have more volume, even though it's kind of flat to your head, but I am gonna end up fixing that. But when you have flat twists, you don't have to separate your curls as much, and I love that about doing flat twists. I can't wait until I do my next flat twist because I loved that part of flat twist. Another thing that I really loved about doing flat twists as I continue taking my hair down is that my individual curls are so curly. They are not as frizzy. I think because maybe they haven't been in the elements so much, or I'm not more likely to pull on them or tug on them. And that could be contributing to the fact that I don't have to let them dry as long. And I went under the hooded dryer, or the dryer attachment. So I do love that about the flat twist. So this is how my hair looks after I take down all my hair. This is the front. Then I'm going to show y'all the back so y'all can see. As y'all see, the ones I really made a defined part, you can really see. But we going to fix that. We're going to take our pick, and we are going to pick our roots out to help the sectioning that I created to go away and to give me a little bit more volume. I also went in and kind of separate a little bit of my curls. I didn't want to overdo it because I did want this hairstyle to last long, last the whole week. I did shake out my hair, kind of play with my curls overall just to help guide my curls in the way I wanted to go. And I did decide to do a side part, so I guided my curls in basically the way I wanted to go. I wish I had like a pin that I could have pinned my hair down, but I am gonna use my blow dryer to stretch my hair just like I do when I do my wash and goes. This is just to give it a little bit more volume, a little bit more volume, a little bit more stretch, embrace the length of my hair. Not that I'm afraid of shrinkage, because shrinkage is actually good, but I wanted some more volume, especially because we were on vacation. I did go ahead and do my edges to, bump my hairstyle up and make it look really, really nice. So I did go ahead and do my edges. This literally, guys, if y'all haven't heard, this is one of my favorite edge control, the Cream of Nature Extra Hold. When it says extra hold, it is extra hold. You do not have to put a lot of edge control on, and it does last all day, because I was like in the sun, we went outside, we went a whole bunch of places that day. We went to a concert that night, and my edges were still on point. They were still smooth. They were there, I think, until the next day, really. So I really, really love this flat twist and how it came out. My hair was so curly, so bouncy, so shiny, just perfect. And the fact that I did a flat twist, like I said, the individual curls were perfection, guys. So if y'all made it this far in the video, I want y'all to comment down below and let me know what do you like, a flat twist over individual twist? Because I think I like a flat twist over individual twist, honestly. How do y'all preserve y'all flat twist? I honestly want to know, how do y'all preserve it? And do you overpick your curls out when you do a flat twist? Because as y'all saw, I kind of did a lot of manipulation, but my hair did last pretty much all the week. So if you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. And remember, guys, you look blessed. Bye, guys.